Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Today I am going to unbox Yamaha AV receiver for my home theater. Yamaha RX-V6A, the future sound of entertainment. The feature-packed AV receiver pairs a fresh design with excellent performance for movies and music. Let's start unboxing. Remote control, warranty, instructions for installation, catalog book, antennas, Wi-Fi antennas, mic for speaker calibration. Power button, USB port, wipe out for mic calibration, headphone jack, volume controller. These are touch buttons for selection, selector knob, Wi-Fi antenna port, one HDMI output port with EARC and ARC, 7 HDMI input ports, Ethernet port, one antenna port, two ports for subwoofers. These are speaker output terminals, ports for surround. These ports are for center, these for front, these ports for surround back, and these ports for front presence. And this is power cord. This receiver is fully compatible for Dolby Atmos and DTX. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.